Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Google form on an iPhone. First, you need to launch the Safari web browser on your iPhone. After that, tap on the search bar and type forms.google.com. After that, you can add a title or you can add also a description to your Google form. Then tap on the first question section to start adding your questions. Next, enter your questions such as, do you like YouTube? Then choose the type of question you want to add, such as multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, and more. After that, enter your question and add any additional options or settings as needed. So for option 1, I will choose yes, and for add option, I am choosing no. You can also toggle on required, making it necessary to fill and submit the form. Once done, now click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner to add more questions. You can also text items to your Google form. Moreover, you can add an image or video to your form. Additionally, you can add a new section to your form. Once done, then tap on the send button in the top right corner to share your form. You can also choose how you want to share your form. You can either send this via email or create a link to share it. Moreover, you can keep this link for yourself and share it later as needed. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.